It's Friday, end of the week, and as I said, hopefully I've promised 5 pickup videos, and you got 5 pickup videos. Yeah, this one's not going to be too exciting. We've just got some panels arrived, so we go get the panels out of the car, maybe bolt them up, just a bit of a clamp up, see what things are looking like, and see what they look like. So what we got is 2 inner A panels, 1 wing and 1 front end. Waiting for the other wing to turn up. But yeah, let's go get them. Okay, first few panels. Talk about inner A panels. Bane of a Mark 1 life. Went Heritage this time. Normally go Magnum, but I thought the whole place is so badly fitted around here. Obviously we've got the inner wing to go on first. These A panels slip behind here. Obviously what I'm worried about is obviously the person that's done this before has obviously fitted this. But there wasn't an A panel with the car, so but Jesus, that's not bad. First off, obviously there's no inner A panel, inner wing, but I'm quite surprised and happy with that so far, especially when you can see the bolt holes. That's always a good sign. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That looks like we can work with that. Again, that's to obviously support the external Mark 1 hinges, which these later cars always did, because I think the pressings, obviously they would have had to change all the pressings and everything for the side, for the pickup, to modify them for the later door hinges, so I guess they didn't bother, and then just stuck with the Mark 1 stuff until they finally stopped producing the minis, the pickups. Bear with me a second, I've got a wing somewhere. Got a front panel, but to be honest I think I can't mount it. Oh, I can't mount the, that's alright, it's only a cheap panel. I can't mount it until I get some front subframe mounts, obviously. They need, like, there's rubber bushes between the subframe. Let's just take that. And the front panel. As I said, the front end is sort of later mini. It's not Mark 1, so the old pickups are a bit of a mixture. And then yeah, a wing. Yeah, watch these brand new panels. The old edges can be killer sharp. You can see I've got a lot of work to do. You can see obviously something's not quite right here. Okay, you know, it's not far off there, it can go up a bit more. But yeah, this is all needs alignment. So that's again, you need the front end on it so we can align it all. Can't do much until we get the front end on and the front panel on. But you know, oh no, that's workable. You know, I can always see stuff already not quite right. So again, this is the same problem as the other side, it's dropped. But yeah, that's good. At least it's looking like a pickup with a front end on, a wing on. I won't bother getting the front end. I will get the front end just to show you, to prove I've got it. It's the front end. I do know, I can't think, maybe all the club and all the pickups have pressed grills and stuff. You can get inserts. I'm thinking I'm going to just run with the grill anyway. I do like the grill. As I said, I still don't know what I'm doing engine wise at the moment. I was looking at Vauxhalls again the other day, so I've got to stop looking. I've got to concentrate on what I'm doing first. So yeah, we got in there. So that's it. We've got both our own panels. What we need to do is look for some rear quarter repair panels, see if we can get them, and we'll just go from there. To be honest, I might be able to make the rear quarter panels repairs, get a bit of sheet, but if we can get something already done. So yeah, that's it. Any other panels that turned up? No. But anyway, panels, one wing, one front end. We're waiting for another wing to turn up. We're waiting for. What else are we waiting for? Oh, I've got rear arches. So, God, I thought I'd bought all the panels, but I hadn't. So, yeah. Alright, very short update. Happy Friday. Have a good weekend, everyone. And go from there. Let me know if anyone knows any rear quarter repairs, these bits for an estate. I'll have a Google today, but let me know. Alright guys, take it easy. See you later. Have a good night.